How to open the charging port cover. First, press the unlock button on the intelligent key. Unlock the vehicle. Then the AC charging port cover on the rear right side of the vehicle. The charging port cover opens automatically. How to take out the charging gun. If the vehicle is charging, stop charging from the charging pile. First, press the emergency stop button. Then unlock the vehicle. Then press the mechanical button of the charging gun. Pull out the charging gun. If the vehicle has finished charging, unlock the vehicle first. Then press the mechanical button of the charging gun. Pull out the charging gun. How to open the boot lid. Double-click the boot lid open button on the intelligent key. Boot lid open. If the boot lid is open or closed, then click the boot lid open button. Opening of the boot lid stops. Double-click the boot lid open button. Boot lid move backwards. Foot motion sensing to open the boot lid. Carry a valid smart key. Stand within the effective detection area of the boot lid sensor. Move your foot under the rear bumper. Make a kicking motion. If the boot lid is closed, then the back will open. If the boot lid is opening or closing, then the boot lid will freeze. Kick again. Then the boot lid goes the opposite direction. Opening and closing the front compartment. Put the shift lever in P or N position. Pull up the electronic handbrake twice consecutively. Pull up the front compartment opening handle located on the left side under the instrument panel. The front compartment will open slightly. Manually pull up to open. Lift the front compartment up. After passing the middle point of the bonnet opening track, release. The front compartment can be opened to the maximum angle by itself. When closing the front compartment, after lowering the front compartment beyond the middle position, press down on the front compartment and let go to close the front compartment. After closing the front compartment, check that the buckle is locked securely.